just coming out of Colombo's. It was very, very nice. And now going to the church. You hear the bells of Medjugorje. There's evening mass. And it's not far from Colombo. Just to go outside and you go on the right. And you are at the mass. You see here, you have St. James Church. Look at it! And now we go to the Holy Mass. You have the parish office on the right where the people are coming down the stairs. The Franciscan bookshop on the left. Another bookshop over there. St. James Church over there. You see there's the bookshop. And then you have the information which is over here. You see here, going up here, the stairs. You have the masses here. Next to the Franciscan bookshops, information about the masses every day. We go down here now. You have shops and burritos. There's the passage for another shops. People can go through here to get to the outdoor masses. You see the shops are over there on the straight on the back. Adoration chapel on the left here. If you like the video, give a like, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, and you can also do a donation. You find the information about it in the description of this video below the video. Let's go to Mass now. I leave you quiet with the impression of the Mass.
Zahvaljujemo njoj posrednici Božji milosti, a da suputimo jedina Sina, idemo nekrvnu žrtvu slaviti, riječ slušati, tijelo blagovati. Napravio smo ga Sina, uvijek iznova i poziva nas da se njemu jedinome klanjamo. Dok zahvaljujemo, slavimo Eukaristiju, zahvalimo Gospodinu za milost oprosta. To smo na ovom svetom mjestu pristupili ispovjedi. Uvijek iznova se kajemo za svoje nesavršenosti. Nikada nam nije Boga dosta. Zato i ovo slavimo, jer žrtvu uvijek iznova prikazujemo. Bogu na čast, a ljudima na spasenje. Pokajmo se.